Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the client section. For that, come up to the side menu, click on People and then Client. The Workstatus allow you to add a client to a project. To add a new client, click on this, enter the email ID of a client and select the project you wish to add him to. You can select the picture also from here and you can select the checkbox to get the client accepted and invite him via an email. Click on Save and the listing appears like this. Once the client is invited, he will receive a link and in that link he has to enter his required details, register his details, and then when he's done he is able to make his Workstatus account. The invitation status from here it is going to get accepted, and under that the details like phone number, what project he is falling in, all these details are being visible here. So this was all about the client section. Thank you.